In this section, we'll be looking at how to set up the Java development environment. As we all know, Java is a platform independent language. Means you write your code in one platform and execute it in any platform. For example, you can write the code in Windows and write it execute it in Linux. Okay. The first thing what we need is a JDK. So what we are going to do is we are going to download JDK version 8. So you can download any version, but I'm going to use the JDK 8. So JDK download. So it will take you to the download page. Okay, and based on your OS, choose your right version. So here I'm going to choose the Windows 64 version. Okay, so you have to accept the license. So we'll wait for the download to complete. So now I have the JDK downloaded. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to double click on it, the installer, which will install the JDK. Now the Java development has been successfully installed. So we'll just click on close. Okay. Now how to confirm that we have the Java development successfully installed? Java version. So it will give you the Java version which is currently installed. Okay. So now what we are going to do is we are going to now install the Eclipse. The Eclipse is the IDE which we are going to use to write the Java code. So you can download the Eclipse from Google. Eclipse download. You can choose any Eclipse of your choice. So just go to the Eclipse downloads and you will get the download. And this is a 64-bit and you can download this one or any Eclipse of your choice. Now I have the Eclipse installer downloaded. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to install the Eclipse. So just double click on it. It will take you through the installation. So the installer will ask you the IDE which you want. Right now I'm going to choose the Java developers, the standard IDE, but you can choose for the enterprise Java developer as well, which is for the web application or any enterprise application. But for now in this course we are going to look at the Java project, so I'm going to choose the Eclipse IDE. Feel free to choose any Eclipse of your choice. Okay, we can launch it from here or we can launch it from the desktop. So what I'll do is I will close this one. I'm not going to launch it now. Just go to Windows and you should be able to see the Eclipse, no Eclipse. So this is the Eclipse. Just double click on it. And it opens with the workspace, asking for a workspace. The workspace is a place where we are going to work. So this is a place where we'll have all the files, whatever we write, everything. So I'm going to choose file. Okay, I'm going to go with the default one. Just launch it. So now the Eclipse has been opened, and you can directly go to the workbench. The workbench is the place where we'll have all the project things. Just click on the workbench on the right corner, and here you can see that create Java project, all these things. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a hello world project first. Go to file, click on new, click on Java project. Okay, so give a name. I'm going to have it as a hello world. So here it will ask for the Java execution environment, Java Standard Edition 1.8, which we installed. If you have any other if you want to use any other JRE, you can choose any other thing. So I'm not going to touch all these things. I'm just clicking on the next. Don't care about all these things now. We will just click on finish. So now we have the Java project created. So if you look at this is source. SRC indicates the source folder. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to write the first hello world program. Just right click on it, click class. Okay, I'll show again. So just right click, new class. So we don't call it as a Java, it's a class file. Okay, so we create a file called hello world. Okay, so this is the hello world class. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write the first method, that is the class has been created. So now I'm going to write the main method. So just type main and then control space. So it will ask for a main method. Just click on that and it will say public static void main string arrays. Don't care about all these things. We'll cover all these things in detail in the later sections. So I'm just going to type, just put sys hello world, welcome to Java. So now I have created a Java program. So the Java program class name is hello world and it has one method. This is the method. This has one method, main method. I just right click on it, run as Java application. The file, you can see that the welcome to Java is printed. Okay, so now what? Now we can see that the Java development has been set up and we are able to create a project and the hello world program has been executed. So just one more time, just right click on it, run as Java application, and you will see that the welcome to Java is printed. So this is printed in the console, and this ensure that we have the environment set up right for the next sections. Thank you.